Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to fix Roblox age verification not working. A lot of people have tried to do their Roblox age verification, where the AI gets to scan your face and put you in a particular age grade. Some tried theirs and then it did not work, or the AI is saying that they are less than their age or higher than their age. There are a few steps you have to take in order to fix this. So what you have to do is to go to your Google Play. So if you're making use of Android, you can go to your Play Store. If you're making use of iPhone, you can go to your Apple Store, search for Roblox. So if yours is not updated, you're going to see an option called update at this point here, but mine is updated. That's why I'm seeing the option called play. So if yours is not updated, you see the option on updates. So when you update it, the next thing you have to do is to restart your phone, and you're going to be able to fix Roblox age verification. It will work perfect for you. So guys, I believe with this guide you'll be able to fix Roblox age verification not working. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.